Good morning. We made it to Hollywood Studios. It's 7 a.m. and it's still dark. I'm so nervous.
I know.
Our first Uber canceled on us.
Oh no.
And the line to get on the Hollywood Studios bus was insane.
We didn't have a bus. It wasn't even on our
Really?
sign yet. Yeah.
Because if it showed up, we were just gonna do that, probably.
Oh my God, people going to Starbucks. Yeah, I
haven't seen them in the parks now. They said they were in the parks. I only saw them at Disney's thing. $18.
And then Muppet is fake.
Yeah,
I don't understand why you mean by it's fake.
Because it's
Well,
really
that's,
not
if you pay
here, even
30
though
up
it's
front,
here.
You get to use it like all week.
And rock and roll.
Good morning and welcome to Disney's Hollywood Studios. Beginning at 8 a.m., guests hoping to confront the First Order in Star Wars Rise of the Resistance may join our virtual queue through
They're
the
not
My
promising
Disney
anything.
Experience app or with the assistance of the guest experience team located throughout
Guests
the
that
park.
get dissed,
We also
please do not
welcome
be
you to
violent.
visit Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run
Honestly, it
at
might make
Star
more
Wars
sense for some person to
Galaxy's Edge,
peel off and go to
Slinky
Wednesday
Dog
Edge,
Dash
'cause
at
all these
Toy
people
Story
get on
Land,
the same.
and our
Remember
newest
that, more
attraction,
security
Mickey
guys
and
on
Minnie's
Vegan App?
Runaway Railway
And
at the
purple
Chinese
shirts?
Theater.
The guys who are
Whatever you
retired
choose,
and
we hope you enjoy your day here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Used for admission to the Star Wars Rise of the Resistance attraction. Guests go out to the First Order in Star Wars Rise of the Resistance should join the virtual queue through the My Disney Experience app or with the assistance of the guest experience team located throughout the park. Please note, the virtual queue will be used for the Star Wars Rise of the Resistance and does not apply to other shows and attractions at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Thank you.
Testing, this thing on. Can you all hear me way back in the back?
Hello there! How you doing?
Hey, you making me up?
Sure getting good care of our friend.
The water's better with me. What could possibly go wrong?
We just finished Mickey's Runaway Railroad for the first time. It was really, really cute. It was way shorter than I thought it was going to be. I guess because the Great Movie Ride was...
Brittany,
Yeah,
do we want to do the swirling saucers? It's only 5 minutes.
sure.
Do you know how to get there? have
Yeah,
no idea,
I
is it?
think. But yeah, I think because the Great Movie Ride was so much longer, I expected it to be the same length. But once you ride it, you'll understand why it's shorter. But it was really cute.
Say howdy to my pal Rex up there. Isn't he the sweetest dinosaur toy you've ever seen?
Mom, do you want to give a recap of your morning?
Well, got up at 5. We ordered our lift at 6:30. We got here and it was still dark. We got in line. We didn't wait long. They let us in at 7. We went to the Minnie Railroad line because we didn't have a fast pass for it. And we waited about 45 minutes until 8 o'clock, at which time I attempted to get the Rise of the Resistance. It was a fail. They were all gone in 1 minute. So we're gonna try again on Friday.
Sad times. We tried our hardest. It's all you can do. It's like a lottery. But we're about to ride Slinky Dog, which I'm excited about.
You'll all be okay.
Jumbo, everybody. Good morning. It is Animal Kingdom Day. I just got to the park. I'm waiting for my parents to get here. They're headed over on the bus from Old Key West. And Derek's actually still back at the room. He's taking a work call this morning. So we're just gonna get a head start. I think we're gonna do Navi River Journey first, standby, and then I think we're gonna just see what we can get on. I know we have fast passes for Flight of Passage and the Safari and Expedition Everest. So it should be a really relaxing morning. Yesterday was really nice because after we did Hollywood Studios, that place was so crowded. And my mom was just telling me she had a theory based on like when she looked at the park times yesterday and what they were offering. They had no extra magic hours in the morning anywhere yesterday. So she's thinking that's why Hollywood Studios was so crowded and why we couldn't get a boarding pass for Rise of the Resistance. So we're gonna probably try and go tomorrow and Friday, and that way we're not just putting our odds on one day like on Friday. So we'll see. Hopefully we can get on. I really want to. But yeah, so after the Holiday Studios fiasco yesterday, it wasn't a fiasco. It was just so crowded and it was sad we didn't get on. We opted to go back to the room and Derek and I took a nap, and that was nice. Like we needed it because, you know, Disney's always so tiring and we were up really early yesterday. And then around like 5-ish, we took the Skyliner over to Epcot, and we actually didn't leave the World Showcase at all. We just kind of wandered through there, and we never take enough time in there, so we literally spent like 3 hours in World Showcase just going in and out of the shops. We ate at the counter service restaurant in Morocco, which was really fun. It's just, I've never eaten there, and the food was pretty good. So that was just a nice, like a change of pace. And then we did the France show, which I haven't done in years. So that was really neat. And then we caught the tail end of the fireworks. We did the Mexico boat ride. We wandered around a little bit, and then we headed back to the resort. And so that was a nice way to end the day, just kind of more like chill and relaxing. And yeah, so it's been fun. And so I think I see my parents coming through actually. So I'm gonna go meet up with them, and I'll catch you guys later.
Okay, over here.
It was an hour earlier.
Oh my gosh.
see another one just over there on our left as well. Now, black rhinos weigh about 3,000 pounds, and they can charge at speeds up to 35 miles an hour. And they have no natural predator. A rhino's only real threat is us humans. Unfortunately, all rhinos suffer from poaching. They are being poached for their horns, which are made out of keratin. And if you look back to our right at those zebras, you can see the baby zebra over there. Now, he is about 7 weeks old. He is the youngest animal on the entire reserve. And you can see he's sticking pretty close to mom over there. And Collie cattle are also known as Watusi cattle. That's because the tribe that first domesticated those animals was the Watusi tribe of Africa. They can be heard from anywhere in the park. That's how loud that roar can be. It looks like that female has noticed something off in the distance. Actually, there's another female lying down just past that small patch of grass as well.
Pocahontas was across the river?
Yeah. He gets hosed. He gets the picture with Kevin.
I don't know if he takes pictures of people.
Hope you get right in front of him.